The history of this property begins in 1940 when Norway was occupied by the Germans. Their whaling fleet, which was in the Antarctic, was on its way home and had to divert many of them to Halifax. And they wanted to enlist in the war effort, so they set up this facility as Camp Norway for their crews to train as gunners while their whaling ships were converted to be convoy escort vessels. And the men trained here and fought from here until about 1943, when many of them moved into the U.S. But here's a picture of opening day in November of 1940. The property was built very quickly in a period of about 3 months in 1940. About 200 men here at that point. There was over 600 men trained here during the wartime. In 1994, we had a reunion of Norwegian vets that came here, which was a lot of fun. Many of them back for the first time since the war days. Then at the end of the war, property was being sold, and my dad and John Meisner and a group acquired the property on February 2nd, 1947, 70 years ago this past February. Go show you some of what we do in the business.
Sure.
Let's walk through the engineering office on our way to the shop here, Sophia. This is what a very important part of ABCO here is our engineering capability. We do all the design work for our work in the shop. You can see projects of some of the things we've done here: boats, water systems, environmental systems, food equipment. A lot of that on the shop now, so let's go out and have a look. So Sophia, these are typical of the engineering drawings that came out of the office as we came through. And here is a typical boat that we do. This is an aluminum 31-foot workboat that we're doing for the Nova Scotia Department of Fisheries, this particular one. We've done them for the Navy, for Coast Guard, pilot boats, police boats, about a few weeks away from being ready for sea trials, but soon we'll be done. So that, Sophia, basically the tour of ABCO. That's what we've been doing here for 70 years now, and hope you enjoyed the tour.
It's great. Thanks for teaching me a bit more.
Well, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure to have you.